Hey folks, this is Team Alpha and we are presenting our project Coracle. Coracle is nothing but a boat, a decentralized boat on Binance SmartChain, which brings data from off-chain to on-chain. You heard that right. It's a decentralized oracle on the BSC infrastructure. So how it basically works is that we have a set of miners and a smart contract deployed on the BSC smart chain. And once the DApp requests data, here the DApp requests any sort of data which is not present on chain, right? So the DApp requests data along with some incentive named as Cola coins. So the Cola coins are nothing but BEP20 tokens on the BSC chain, right? So once the DApp requests that they need some data with some incentive, the request is recorded and queued. So there are miners who are on the other side of the contract watching the queue, and as the queue fills up, they're going to take each of the requests, they're going to query from the off chain and they're going to put it to smart chain, put it on chain. So once they do that, as an incentive, they will get those Cola coins, and they are not distributed immediately. So the catch here is that the Cola coins incentivized are pooled and are distributed on a quarterly basis so that we ensure that the miner stays long, stays trusted, and provides us with the right data. So it's a time-based reputation system is what we are following. So let's quickly get on how to run the project. So to run the project, we have applied some instructions, and you can also see our tech stack what we've used. So basically, you have to clone the project from this link, github.com/bendonortnotwrite/coracle. And once you do, you're going to see something like this. And you can see our Coracle Solidity script, which is nothing but a BEP20 token with our additional functions, additional innovation that we have done. And we're also going to see some migration scripts, and we also have included Truffle. So if you are running Truffle, it's easier for you to manage the smart contracts. And we also have a scripts folder which emulates of how the whole system works, and that's what we are going to do. So as mentioned earlier, you can run Truffle. So I'm going to quickly show how you can run it on Truffle. After you clone the project, you can simply run Truffle compile, or Truffle compile, and that's going to compile your smart contracts. And then you can put those smart contracts on your Ganache or on a BSC testnet by running Truffle migrate. And once you run Truffle migrate, it's going to put your smart contracts on the blockchain. Once you do, we are going to quickly open up Nash, and you can see our smart contract is reflected. So all you need to do is just copy the address, and we have two major scripts on the scripts folder, the miner.js and the owner.js. So each of those, we need to replace the Cola address with a deployed contract that you just copied. And once you do, you're good to go. So a very quick demonstration is going to be that I have split screens running both side by side, and let's spin up miner.js on one side. So this is basically the miner who's ready to up and ready to watch the request, if any. And here we are emulating the consumer as DApp. So it's basic JavaScript code that we are emulating so that we can request and get the prices in real time on blockchain. So I'm going to run node consumer.js, and I get a predefined option. For example, we have taken the basic currency. So I'm going to take BNB USD. Once I do that, you can see the request is placed on smart contract. The miner gets it. The miner makes an off-chain call, and miner returns the result. So you can clearly see a BNB is pegged at 462 USD. Is what we have done. So all of this happens on blockchain, but the data is coming from off-chain as easily as possible. So you can check out all the transactions here on Ganache. They have been recorded, the update value record transactions. And so that's it. That's the whole concept of Coracle. Hope you like it. Thank you.